Hello guys, so we learned that how to create regex to match the alphanumeric from a particular string, and uh, we have also learned that how to match the alphanumeric with minimum and maximum length. So we created another regex to do this. So today we are going to create another regex to match whether basically we required alphanumeric but not only alphabets or not only numerics, so that must be a combination of alphanumeric and no special character allowed. So if you run the previous regex that we have created and let's say you pass write only numbers, so it gives you its valid match, and if you pass the only alphabets, it's give you valid match. And in another cases, if you give the combination of both, it gives you it's a valid match. But now the requirement is this: alphanumeric, no only alpha, and no only numbers. Should be alphanumeric only, no special character allowed. Right, so this is what we want to do. So to do this, first we take input from the user. So let me import regex here once again too, and the input, let's say we give it a value, and input we are taking from the end user, enter only alphanumeric. Right, so this is to get the value from the user. Now let's say uh, here I have to create a match, regex match. To do this, first re dot match, and in match I have to pass, let me write it first, then I'll explain you how we did it. So to do this, we have to use multiple parameters all together. So that is there, and in small parenthesis I need a question mark, then equals to symbol, then I need a dot, and then a star, and I needed alphanumeric in both the cases, in lower as well and in upper cases as well. So I have written that like this, and let me finish this part, and then again I'll be creating another combination which starts from question mark, then goes to dot, and then a string, and that is question mark. Sorry, I take it as forward slash. So question mark equals to symbol dot star, and here I have to mention the numbers, which is 0 to 9, because I needed the combination, not the individual alphanumeric, not alphabets, not the individual numbers. So I am done with alphabets and numerics. And what else I needed? So here I'll be passing A to Z, and in lower cases A to Z, and the numbers, which is 0 to 9. And then let's say you want to give us a particular length as well. If you don't want to give, so it's up to you. Let me close the started from double quotes. Let me close it this way, and then we are going to match it with value, the variable that we have created. And let's say print uh, valid alphanumeric, right? Something like this, and then we can take it another into, just to check uh, invalid. It is just to check whether you can give this match and use this regex match anywhere as per your requirement. So let's say I write it something like this, so it gives invalid, and if I give only characters, it gives invalid. And you see that in previous regex it was giving us valid in the previous one, and it, if I pass the combination of both, so it gives me the valid alphanumeric. And for example, I'm passing some special character here, like this, like this. So it gives invalid. So it will be taking only alphanumeric, no special character, no only alphabets, and no only the numbers. So let's say I need to create or to give it a match for alphanumeric with minimum or maximum length. So you can simply add that minimum or maximum length in curly braces here. Let's say I have written 2, which is let's say 5 and 10. The minimum is 5 and the maximum is 10. And I'll be using the dollar symbol for that, which is here it goes. And let me run it. So if I pass value which is less than 5, it will give invalid. Let me run it again. If you give something like this, it will give valid alphanumeric. So this is how we created. And to know the parameters that we use, please go through with this official document for regular expression that Python has provided, so you guys may be able to understand it. And as per the requirement, every time we have to customize our regex. So that's it. We are done with the alphanumeric with no special characters. That's it for guys today. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.